Alright, let's set it off.
We are blowing shit up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm gonna walk this way and hopefully I don't fall in the ocean.
Near the boathouse.
3, 2, 1.
Get away. Back away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's dead. JD has the next batch. All the other ones are on the chair. JD has a couple in his hand.
There, see? Did not hit the lip of the wheelbarrow.
So I can't see shit besides people's voices. I can see that.
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see the light?
Goes down
So
on
there's a
this one.
flashlight.
Yes, I do.
You wanna make sure there's no spiders on this thing?
There's none.
They're all fireworks.
All dead.
Yeah.
Nah, Blair.
We killed them all with fireworks.
Blair, you're gonna be the guy who hands the next batch over.
Okay.
Everything's
So all the stuff sitting on the chairs you want to get rid of first before the grand finales.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey,
here we go.
next round.
Next. Step back.
Get back.
That is sick. Happy birthday, fucker. That's sick. I can't wait till these are all.
All right, we got to start getting this going on a faster pace here. So Matt, the ones
doesn't have to be a
I know, but the ones on the chair, the one.
We're 2 for 1 here.
All right, but
Good.
the ones on the chair. Okay, whoever's by the chair, the ones sitting in the chair, the ones you want to give Graham next. And then
I wanna like sit down.
I have both in my hands. I am so dumb. That's what I told you.
We're gonna.
we have fucking music over here. I'm gonna come closer.
We have fireworks over here.
Fight! Sub-Zero versus
Where's
Scorpion.
my dad's disco lights when we need those?
That'd be badass.
Look
No,
at this.
I
Hold the
came
fire
home.
up to your face. That's
I
cool.
came home, my dad's like, hey, check this out. Sets a fucking disco light on in the kitchen. And then has like a water thingy that like tells the different temperatures of water with different colors. And then has these little thingies when you move them, they light up. And I'm like,
Here we go.
like a club in your sleep.
You gotta be fast about it.
You want to move?
Make sure they're exploding against each other. That is so cool.
Green and red, ladies and gentlemen. That's on the other side, that's why.
Somebody's trying to think they're lighting flares off in the stage.
Let them think that.
All right, okay.
Down, but they ain't that dumb.
We need to start handing off the next batch that was sitting on the chair.
Missed that.
The ones that were sitting in the chair first.
On the arm.
Okay.
There's these
Which one
two.
next?
There's these two, and then there's those ones.
Those two, and then the grand finale are the last ones you normally do because they're the ones that actually explode a lot.
No.
Green dragon. We're doing green dragon.
I give it to the Cascade because that one's the one that's blown up halfway.
Red rocket.
I know, I've seen that.
I'm gonna stand over here so I can actually see this shit, and that way if we explode, my beer will protect me.
Your beer will protect you.
Beer always protects.
All right, ready, everyone? This one will be clear for.
But let's back this shit up.
We're good.
Yeah, here's the fun, man.
As long as it doesn't blow it the side. It's gone.
Woo!
That's it? No?
No.
It's a Roman candle.
Green dragon!
Fuck you, Syria! I think we're safe.
Clear!
Clip!
Clear.
Clip!
Clear.
Green!
Suck my dick, Syria.
Graham, I have one you should blow up first because it's kind of dangerous.
Oh, I love dangerous candles.
Where'd it
The
go?
one that's fell.
Yeah, the one that fell, the Cascade.
Got her.
Yeah, that's one that's like half exploded.
There's one that's probably going to explode all over the place.
So, Graham, if you die,
He's not dying.
I love you.
We love you, man. Happy birthday.
Spirit of neutralism.
Can I have your
My
guitars?
God, Tell my wife I said.
Graham, I love you, and thanks for the multiple years of best friendship.
Thank you, Graham.
Let's blow this shit up.
Can I have your room?
Bam! Wow!
Those are bright.
Ow! Ah! Whoa!
Yes. Nice.
Fuck.
Wow! Are you sure? Clear!
Clear.
I'm almost out of beer!
There's tons of beer.
There's a fair bit of beer.
No, I'm almost out of this beer.
Alright, one of these small puppies next?
The only one, these two right here and the one right there are the ones you save for the end. You want to do the sticks first.
These?
Yeah.
Okay, which one next? Oh,
Leave
the ones
this
in...
one for the end.
No, the grand finale is that cannon right there. That's why we put it right there, because it's the grand finale. It actually says grand finale,
I
I'm
have
pretty
not
sure.
heard that song in a really long time.
That's like the greatest song ever written.
Yes, it is.
This video's at 6 minutes already, guys.
Good.
Dance party on the beach.
You can't see him, but this is Matt Blair, ladies and gentlemen. He's going to be working for TSM someday.
That's right.
Except for he's going to get every name wrong because he doesn't know anything about mixed martial arts. But I still love him.
Except TSN doesn't cover mixed martial arts. So
They should. That's Evan. He's half dead.
Hi.
There's Jess. You can't see her. You can see
Get
the back.
away!
Whoa, that's clear.
What the fuck?
Bang!
Oh, whoa, we're good.
Yeah. Bam. Bam.
Oh man, this looks so sick on my camera.
Wow, right in the
Look how sick this looks on my camera. It's like fireballs.
This is my favorite profile. I know it's...
Clear.
Clip! I feel like we're in like a war zone, yelling clear.
I can't wait till these fucking pictures are up.
This is a video. I'm not.
Jess is taking.
Oh,
pictures.
I can't post this video on Crackbook because Hannah's mom apparently creeps me.
Well, you can set the settings so she can't see it.
So now this one?
Big Mama.
Dude, you fucking violated.
Want to see milk?
No.
Damn it.
I fucking caught you, asshole.
JD's a pyro. JD's also our pyrotech for when we go on tour.
I'll be your
Roadie.
yeah, roadie.
Head roadie.
Cameraman.
Manager.
I think Jess is probably gonna take pictures.
No, I mean your video cameraman, your TV cameraman
Oh.
when you're
I
playing
can do
on TV.
computer
I'm the
graphics.
photographer, you be the videographer.
I can
I'm
do
a
I can do
photographer
computer
too,
graphics.
though.
I'm the residential drunk bass player.
I'm doing both.
I can do your photoshopping needs. Like I can put some abs on JD with his shirt open. That kind of thing.
Alright, next!
What's this one?
Fucking look out.
Who cares?
Yeah, that one you want to light and run.
Yeah, light and run, bitch.
Because those ones have a tendency to blow up through the sides too.
Yeah, I
Okay,
know.
back off. Back
Go.
off.
Get the fuck away.
And bam, it's gonna go.
There we go. I'm catching fire. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey Graham, this sounds like our drum beat.
There's your drum machine right there.
It doesn't hit the water, it's nuts.
It sounds so cool.
Clear!
Clear! Boat on the water.
That's not a boat, it's a car.
Put it on the water.
That's not a car.
It's a boat.
Car on the state?
No, that's a boat.
Oh.
If it's a car in the States, it's going super fucking fast.
I don't know, when you're down at Blockhouse, you can see cars driving on the highway in the
Yeah.
States.
That's a boat, man, you can hear it.
That's smoke.
Let's get the next one rolling. They're gonna think we're
That's really hot still. Yeah, it's really hot, yeah.
coming close into the line of fire here.
Help!
Is there any more, or are we gonna start rocking the cannons? Alright,
Cannons.
alright. Bring both cannons over.
You want me to do both at the same time? Why don't we just do one at a time?
No, bring them both over so you have them. And then the finale's right there behind you.
Fucking light from the smoke.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ, guys!
What? I can't
What
fucking
the
see.
hell is going on? I mean, seriously, what the fuck is going on here?
Evan, my virgin ears. You know what? This video is gonna have a lot of bad language. It's gonna have to be like rated R for
You
retarded.
can beep it out. Send it to me and I can edit it.
Yeah, okay.
I do editing.
I might actually email this to you so you edit it.
I can do it, yeah. Plus I can edit it so there's no space in between all the... Like it'll just be one firework after another. I can edit out all the other stuff in between.
Sweet. How long will it take for you to do
You're
that?
saying you're gonna edit?
Not very long at all.
What?
What I do.
Alright, lighten it up.
Cannon number 1!
Ka-choo.
Fire the scuds!
Fire in the hole!
Fire in the hole!
For Syria!
Syria!
That's the cannon, alright. Is that it?
Is that it?
Wow.
That shouldn't be it.
It is.
Alright,
Ho!
clear!
Possibly.
Be cautious.
Proceed with caution.
We should have some like lasers or something. That'd be awesome.
Let's
to smoke.
go close to it, just in case there is more to come.
Yes, because you want something else to explode.
You know what I mean? Like, if I light, I'll put this on the side, and that way if there's any more, maybe this one will activate it. Here we go, number
I don't think
cannon
so.
Number 2.
This one's going in the air, boys and girls at home. Don't
Here we
play
go.
with fireworks.
Here we
It's
go.
gonna be like the same thing.
Scud, holy crap!
That was completely different from the same thing.
Damn it. That was way
Alright guys, we have the grand finale left over here.
That's it?
That's it?
The grand finale's right here.
Holy sulfur, Batman.
Da 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 da. Graham, this is a fucking tiny fuse, buddy.
You have Ride of the Valkyries on your iPod?
I do.
Badass.
Just wait. We need a soundtrack for this one.
Yes, we do. I gotta stand beside him so we actually get it in the video.
I hope it's loud enough.
Hardly.
Yeah! I can go to get the original. Okay, hold on.
We don't have holding time.
Just wait.
Closing time. Time for all the alcohol to go into our livers.
That's not how it goes, but I really like this one, so don't ruin it.
Alright, here we go, people.
Mission
Finale.
Mission launch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is for Syria!
Right on cue.
Wow!